My name is Leanne Wickens. I'm a Senior Product Manager at Promega UK, and as part of my role I manage the catalogue bioassay portfolio and I co-organise the Biologics Symposium. I was really pleased with how the Biologics Symposium went this year. I thoroughly enjoyed it. It was really nice to see a growing audience from last year. We had a lot more people in the room this year, which was lovely. We also live streamed the event for the first time this year, as well as made it on demand for more people to watch. So we had an even bigger reach for the amount of people that could join us. I thought all of the speakers were excellent. So we had a guest speaker from Promega R&D, Jamie Grailer. He was talking about the latest developments in our bioassay portfolio, but we also had another 5 guest speakers from pharma, from biotech, from CRO and from academia as well. So it was really nice to have such a mix of speakers. I'd really like to thank all of our speakers again for their participation at the event, because they really made the event what it was. I liked how throughout the day all the talks, despite being from different areas of biologics, all linked together really well, so that meant that the day flowed really well. It was a great success and I'm looking forward to next year.